Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Chapter number 5, Nelson Mandela, Glory and Hope. Dear student, I have given you the summary of the chapter. But now I am giving you the question and answer. You have to write according to your own understanding and elaborate these questions as far as possible. Question number 1. Who are the people Nelson Mandela is addressing and what is the occasion? Answer. Nelson Mandela is addressing the both South African and international audience. There was heads of different states and other dignitaries, including distinguished guests, comrades, and friends at the auspicious occasion. It was the day when South Africa got independence from the whole people. This was the oath taking ceremony of Nelson Mandela when he was elected democratically as the first president of South Africa on May 10, 1994. Question number 2. What figurative language does Nelson Mandela use to communicate his profound feelings of patriotism and sense of belonging to his homeland? Answer. Nelson Mandela was a renowned leader of South Africa. He uses the most beautiful and moving language to express his feelings of patriotism and sense of belonging to his homeland. He has made use of similes. He says, each one of us is at intimately, as intimately affected to the soul of this beautiful country, as are famous jacaranda trees of Pretoria and mimosa trees of Bushveld. He says each time one of us touches the soil of this land, we feel a scene of personal renewal. He was a great orator. It seems that he has full communication power and skills. What was the situation like in the South Africa before the very celebration, liberty and glory that Nelson Mandela is speaking about? Answer. There was very deplorable situation in South Africa before the very celebration of liberty and glory that Nelson Mandela is speaking about. There was about absolute discrimination between the communities on the basis of caste and color. There was no peace and harmony in the country. Many laws and measures were designed to oppress the rights of black people. They had no right to live freely and they were oppressed and maltreated. The apartheid and a system of racial segregation in South Africa. The black people were deprived of their citizenship rights. They were no longer citizens of the country. Black people were living in the bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. There was a complete racial, sexual, and ethnic segregation. Question number 4. What emancipation and liberation Nelson Mandela is speaking about? Nelson Mandela is speaking about political emancipation which they had achieved after a long struggle against the apartheid system. He was elected democratically the first black president of South Africa in 1994. In the former political system in South Africa, only white people had full political rights and black people were forced to live away from white people. Now all, all the people will enjoy full equal rights. All the communities will live together with equal opportunities. He is speaking about emancipation from racism and oppression. Nelson Mandela also pledged to liberate all of his people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. He is speaking about the liberation movement of black people of South Africa when he became successful in dismantling the country's apartheid system. Question number 5. What does Nelson Mandela mean by South Africa being once the skunk of the world? Skunk means hateful, or it creates an animal which creates a smell which is disgusted. Answer. Nelson Mandela means by the phrase skunk of the world that once the people of the South Africa were hated by other communities as skunk or hated by the people. He means by the phrase that South Africa was once the most despicable and disgusting nation of the world. The people of South Africa were given no respect or the love by the rest of the world because of pernicious ideology, hateful ideology, and practice of racism. Thank you. Any question